Hello beautiful friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make this herbal hair growth oil, powerful oil for massive hair growth. Like, it smells so nice. Yes, so to my 165 subscribers, thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and your support. So if you're new on my channel, click on that red subscribe button and subscribe now. So these are the products that we are going to use. So coconut oil is said to be the best oil. It penetrates into the cortex. Coconut oil helps to strengthen your hair. Coconut oil reduces damage to hair cuticles during combing. Coconut oil reduces swelling of hair shaft when hair is immersed in water. So proteins in the hair, like, it protects the hair from loss of protein, which leads from high growth fatigue actually. So I have done a video on specifically coconut oil. I'll link that video in the description box below. So we are also going to use our rosemary leaves. So rosemary encourages regrowth. It has inflammatory properties, promote nerve growth, improve blood circulation, and it strengthens circulation as its result could prevent follicles from being starved of blood supply, dying off, leading to hair loss. So beyond stimulating hair growth, rosemary promotes a healthy hair scalp because it reduces dandruff, itchy scalp, and dry, itchy scalp. We also have peppermint. So peppermint helps hair growth. The main component in peppermint, has shown to increase blood flow to the area applied, which promotes hair growth. So it helps to increase blood flow to the area applied, hence promote hair follicles and longer, fuller hair. So sage leaves not only prevent hair loss, but it also rejuvenates and strengthens the hair follicles. The use of sage can also boost blood circulation in the scalp, increasing of nutrients to hair follicles. It also unclogs the hair follicles, darken hair. Sage leaves contains pigment that can darken gray hair naturally. So sage tea contains tannins that help dye hair. Sage also contains antiseptic, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties, which also help. It's also rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, B, C, potassium, and calcium, which promotes growth. Aloe vera leaves has been used for treating hair loss. It also soothes the scalp and conditions the hair. It can reduce dandruff and unblock hair follicles that may be blocked by excessive oil. So aloe vera contains a specific enzyme called proteolytic enzyme, which repairs dead hair cells on the scalp. So we have just poured in our oil. So you have to make sure that your oil covers your herbs. So like I poured in 300 gram of our coconut oil. So coconut oil, I really love the oil because of the good properties which it has. Yes, so I've dedicated a video on coconut oil. So like coconut oil is predominantly made up of a medullum chain fatty acid called lauric acid. So this gives coconut oil a long, straight, which is more easily absorbed deep into the hair shaft. So I'm using the quick method for herb infused oil. So this quick method utilizing heat is sometimes necessary when herbs need to be treated in a pinch, like just in smaller quantities. It really helps. So have to make sure that you set it on gentle heat. Is preferably between 100 degrees and 140 degrees for 1 hour to 5 hours until all is taken on a color, scent of herbs, and the scent is you can smell that scent, then it means it's ready. So at this point it's ready. That is how it looks like. Yes, it has infused well. As you can see, the color has changed. So at this point you have to let it cool and then strain it using a cheesecloth or a strainer. So if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe now. If you want to be seeing more of such videos, then consider subscribing to my channel. So to my viewers and my 165 subscribers, I really appreciate you guys for your love and your support. So on this channel, I upload videos every day. So make sure that you press against your herbs to get more oil, because there could be some oil in there, as you can see. Yes, you don't want to lose money. We need to utilize our money very well. So we are being economic, actually. Make sure that you strain everything. So that is how it looks like. Look at that. It's so, so, so beautiful. So this stimulating hair growth oil, it will promote growth. It will actually help if your hair is breaking. You can use it as a scalp treatment. You can use it as a pre-shampoo. You can even use it to moisturize your hair, to seal in the moisture. You can also add it in your deep conditioner, in your shampoo. It really works well. So now I'm going to put a sizable amount, because coconut oil penetrates your hair. I'm going to use it on my dry hair. Yes, of course, like in a protective towel of twist. I'm in a challenge for 6 months where I'm using twist to grow my medium natural hair. In fact, I did a video on how I'll be growing my hair in 2022, because I have a problem with my medium natural hair. I'll link that video in the description box below. So comment, subscribe to my channel for more. So friend, if you subscribe to my channel, this will help us like for YouTube to recommend our videos to more people, so that we can reach the bigger audience and grow our channel. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in our next video.